Alrighty, here we go. Um, Today is Thursday. So I wasn't able to record Tuesday and Wednesday. I did get a couple of trades in. I think it was like 3 trades, which did all right. Got me up to I think it was a little under 50,000. So um, call that baseline 50,000 baseline. So just a little bit under the baseline. And then today, um, I wasn't able to do it to record live because I was using the web client on another machine because I was doing tons of work stuff. But I was kind of, I had that going on the side. Was kind of taking a look at it every once in a while, and I'm just going to go ahead and say I got kind of lucky doing that. Trying to do that while distracted because I got two trades in. I got one right here. I got one right here, and they're both really small because I wasn't quite sure. I figured I'd err on the side of caution and do smaller trades. But yeah, so this one, it had come down. We'd been on an uptrend at the time anyway. It was on a pretty good uptrend. It's kind of still on an uptrend, but we were on an uptrend on the hourly, uptrend on the daily, and back here, let's see, I want to say we were even still on an uptrend on the 5-minute. Yeah, because I was all the way back here, all the way back over here. So you can see it was still bouncing up. So I, figured that would continue. Didn't really have much of a reason to think it was going to go down. So on this one, took a look at it, and I looked and I saw it had just come up above here, which I figured, if it's breaking the previous high, it's going to keep going, which is true. It did. It did keep going, even though I did just a small one. But I was fine with that. I kept watching. In between being distracted. If I had seen this right here, I might have taken a sell right here, but I was not paying full attention. So when I came back to looking at it, I saw it had, it had gone down, was coming back up a little bit, and then started back up again. So once it kind of cleared this second one over here, I figured, okay, well, it's going to keep going back up. It's just another little bounce, and then it's going to keep going a lot higher. Maybe make a new high. And it didn't, but I took a small enough position that I still got a little bit out of it. I could have gone a touch higher, which actually lines up with that really well. But yeah, so then the next one it tried to come up and then didn't make it, and that was the start of a rather extended downtrend here. And then it obviously bounced back up right over here. So after this second one though, I just stopped paying attention because just like with the losses, you don't want to keep going. You don't want to overtrade. That leads to decision fatigue and all sorts of other things. So yeah, you can see the two trades right here. It puts us, well, with those two combined, just a little bit over baseline. We're not quite to where we were when we got the first winning trade on the very first day. We're still taking us a few days to actually get back to that after those two losses, which tells me my stop losses, well, we already know it wasn't great with the risk to reward ratio, but this is a good illustration. Had one bad day with 2 bad trades, and it's taken us like 3 days to even get almost back to where we were before that. So yeah, so that's it. No trading tomorrow, obviously, because the market's closed tomorrow. So no recording then. But climbing back out of the hole, and hopefully on Monday we'll be able to do another recorded trading session, hopefully live this time. We'll see what work does. And yeah, hopefully we'll finish climbing back out of that hole, get to where we were before, and keep right on going.